Hey lovies, welcome back to another delicious recipe. And on today's recipe we're going to be making catfish pepper soup. So guys, let's get started with this recipe. So guys, right here I have my 2 plantains that I'm going to be adding to my pepper soup, and I'm going to be using half of this red bell pepper, 1 onion, 2 red and 1 yellow scotch bonnet pepper, some scent leaf or mint leaf, and also no mango cube. And right here I have my pepper soup spice, which is already grinded, and in the flat bowl I have all the spices that was blended into the powder form, and I'm going to be dropping the names of them on the description box. Right here I have 2 catfish and 1 lemon that I'm going to be using to wash the fish thoroughly. So right now I'll start by adding in some salt into my catfish. This is going to help me with washing it clean and taking off all the slime on the fish. And I'm also going to be using my lemon to wash it thoroughly. So after washing the fish with the lemon and the salt, I'll go ahead and make sure I use enough clean water to rinse the fish properly. And at this point, you make sure that your fish is no longer slimy, because catfish can be slimy at times, so you need to wash it thoroughly. And again, I will add in more salt and add in some water and allow the fish to sit in the water for just about 2 to 3 minutes. So right now, I'm going to be slicing the fish into my desired size. And after slicing the fish, I will get a hot boiling water and I will pour it into the fish in a bowl and allow it to sit for just a minute or 2, and I will take off the hot water from the fish. So right here I have my peppers washed and I'm going to be roughly blending them. So now I will get my cooking pot and add in my peeled plantain. But if you don't like plantains, you can go ahead and add anything of your choice like yam or potatoes, or even you can make your catfish just like that and enjoy it the way you like it. So I'll put my plantain in the fire and allow it to parboil for just about 5 minutes. After parboiling my plantain for just roughly 5 minutes, I will go ahead right now and add in my roughly blended peppers. I'll add in some ginger, just a little bit of ginger, and my no mango cube. So right now I'll add in more water and I'll stir this up together. After stirring it up together, I'll go ahead and add in some salt. As you can see before now, I've already added a little bit salt to parboil my plantain, so I'm going to be adding just a little bit of salt, and I'll go ahead and add in just half a teaspoon of my pepper soup spice. I'm going to be adding a little bit now and later on add in more, so that it will give it that fresh, nice taste and aroma when it's almost ready to set down from the fire. So right now I'll go ahead and add in my catfish. So guys, for your catfish pepper soup, you need a very wide pot to make your catfish pepper soup so it doesn't get broken while you're trying to stir it. With a very wide pot like this, it will be easy for you to move them around without breaking the fish. So right now, I'll go ahead and cover the pot of pepper soup and allow it to start cooking. So right here, my catfish pepper soup have been cooking for about 12 minutes. I'll go ahead and add in some of my scent leaf, as this is going to give it a very nice aroma and also a very nice taste. So right now, I'll cover it up and allow it to keep on cooking. And at this point, my catfish pepper soup is well cooked and the plantain also is ready. So I'll just go ahead right now and add in just a teaspoon more of pepper soup spice, as this is going to give it more flavor and make you feel the taste of the pepper soup spice while you're enjoying your catfish pepper soup. So when I'm done adding the spice, I'll go ahead and add in more fresh scent leaf to give it that freshness, and I'll just cover it for just about 2 minutes and my catfish pepper soup is ready and set to be devoured. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching this recipe. I hope you find it helpful. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please, for any questions, don't forget to drop them on the comment section, as I will gladly reply to them. And also, for all the list of the ingredients used on this recipe, I'm going to be having them on the description box. Please do check them out anytime you need them so you'll be able to make yours. So guys, after tasting my pepper soup, I noticed that it needed more spice. So I went ahead and add in some dried grounded pepper and give it a nice stir and just cover it up to cook for just 2 minutes more so the spice will mix with the pepper soup. And at this point, my pepper soup was ready. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe if you find this recipe helpful, and also click on the notification bell icon so you'll be notified anytime I post new recipe. And if you did love this recipe, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Till I see you on my next video, do have a lovely day, do have a beautiful day. Bye bye.